Okay, guys, so with mnemonic devices, you can use mnemonic devices a lot of different ways in math, but really it's to help teach students to monitor their progress when they have a lot of steps that they have to follow for different situations. So one of the things that you can use is Don't Catch My Cat Whiskers, which is one that was used in an article that I found. The D for don't stands for to use the distributive property. Um, Catch is for combining like terms. My step is meant to multiply or divide. And then whiskers is for way to go, you're done. So that can be used when you're solving multi-step equations. But the important thing about mnemonic devices is that they're best used for kids that struggle with working memory. Where they're having a difficult time putting multiple steps together. So you can use a lot of mnemonic devices in different situations. And you just have to teach students to be really clear about when you use those situations.